So, madam, what shock do you?
Okay, now I'm cutting. Now I can't do for you.
Okay, you will take me around the work whether you don't finish it or you see the on it.
Okay, I don't finish them.
Okay, you don't finish it.
Yes.
Take me around with you.
Okay.
No, some few days will not do finish.
Okay, finish. Then this parlor.
Okay, like how many do you hear?
But 11 window.
Okay, 11 window. Okay, we'll start from parlor.
Rooms.
Okay, 4 room, and the problem will start from this parlor.
Okay.
Okay. This one are black with white, Abby?
Yes, black with white inner.
Okay, black with white inner.
Then luxury packer.
Okay.
And tie back, hook and tie back. Then Irish inner.
Okay, Irish inner.
Then Turkish materials.
Okay, with Turkey material.
Yes.
Okay. This one, the other one.
Wow. Needs to be this one.
I see with this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mostly the dining.
Okay. See the dining.
Wow. Some of the dining. Okay, from then where will we go?
Okay, now the room.
Okay, here now the first room.
The first room.
Well, this one called carry cap, or the one with the palo carry cap.
That
one, the cap on the color.
Board. This one not carry board. Now just like this.
Okay, just like this. Okay. What's the other side? You see the way?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay.
This place.
Wow, this one got color.
Yeah. I see me match the bed.
Okay, match with the bed.
Yes.
I see the same material.
Yes, the same Turkish material.
Okay, Turkish material. Okay, wow, this one see match this bed here.
Yes.
What was it?
No.
Okay, now here for finish.
Yes.
I'm gonna reach the parlor. Okay. So my people, madam will take me around where for do cutting and decoration here, and it don't do with the work. So madam, what is your name?
My name is Inofe Osafami from Home Glam Decor.
Inofe Osafami. So maybe I can talk to you. So my name now Osafami. So how the person contact you, madam?
Okay, get my number from the platform.
Okay, from the platform, yes. I foresee your number to contact you.
Yes, come contact me. I can come, then take the measurement.
Okay.
Round before we can start the work.
Okay. So what you would like tell the person will give you this job?
I sincerely want to thank him well. To do well for trusting us with the job. I really thank him. Say may God bless him, continue to provide for him, continue to enlarge the coast. And also for our customers, we don't give me work before and what we want to give me.
Yes.
Thank you now, well. Thank you very much. Your pocket never run dry.
Amen. So, madam, like how many days or week take you to do this work before you call installer here?
Okay, this one now 1 week.
Okay, 1 week.
Yes.
1 week. Okay, see, per measurement they give per window.
Per measurement.
Okay, per measurement.
Per measurement and also the kind of
design
we want.
Okay, come again. You say the material, not you said a Turkish material.
Turkish material. Yes.
What about the white windows and I say Turkey?
No, Irish.
Okay, Irish material.
Material.
Also, madam, you get some kind of material when you put for water. You go just the change or you go the with the wash. I hope not be this kind of material.
No. This one not the wash.
Okay, and so say though when you see put on water bring and come and dry, you can't bring hair.
Hair come out.
Hair they come out.
In this one, no, they bring hair. Not they wash.
Okay.
So na Turkish material na be this.
Okay, so Turkish.
Very, very good. Very, very okay.
No, the one say they cause heat, you know, say some cut today. Heat go they cause heat.
They cause heat. No, they cause heat.
Okay, this one not they cause heat.
You just put on like this, so it dey okay. You know they cause heat like that. Okay. Just dey fine.
Okay, like this one we carry box when you talk.
Board.
Board. Like this one, how much for this one?
Okay, this one like this now na 120.
120,000. You know, so they see the one we know the tear pocket, like the one we see reduce. Well, you see the better material.
Yes,
you see
it did.
That one, that one, how much?
That one, maybe 68. Both installation, 68,000, 100,000.
Okay, that one say they carry board.
If you want me, that one say carry board. We say carry board. That one is satin material.
Okay, satin. Only see your phone, I know cause heat.
No.
But that one will be talking now satin material.
That one will be Turkish material, not satin. And if you want to use the satin, we also let you know, say you need that na satin be this.
Okay.
So see Turkish.
Okay.
See get one so feel go feast last week.
Okay.
This Monday so. Today na Friday now.
Yeah,
on Monday we'll go feast the ass. So the woman can say not to get money like that. So we feast Turkish for a waiting parlor and parlor.
Okay.
Then we can feast the satin for the rooms.
Okay, confuse the satin for the room.
So we take do that one. Okay. So why this one? He just give me money, saying just need everything, maybe one.
Okay.
So everything here na Turkish material.
Okay. Come again, say palm window for this one we carry boss now 120.
And this one with the measurement 120. Some measurement they different though.
Okay, some measurement they different.
Yes,
okay, as you take measure, now is what you give a price.
Yes.
Okay, like the one when I see for the other room, carry box.
And that one.
Each one how much?
That one is 68 with installation.
Okay, 68 with the installation.
86 rather. 86.
Okay, 86.
Yes.
Okay, with installation, that be 86.
Yes.
Okay, this one 120 with the installation.
Yeah.
I didn't say something with the hold the cloth there. Wait that one.
Okay, this one a luxury tie back. Hook and tie back. Once you don't fix now this one will take the pack and go
one side
to take bring out
the beauty.
Then this one will come this scene.
Okay.
This one not there now. This one so we just.
You go walk over everywhere with your dark.
Dark, yes.
Oh, okay.
If you want to travel now, why the essence of this one? If you want to travel now, you feel remove and cover your curtain, cover your window, so we go there safe.
Okay. Once you come back, you feel see tires, you see tires so.
Yes, tire like this.
Okay. Mana, which work is it do the Johnson? See, let our audience know.
Okay, we dey do duvet. That's duvet for bed.
Okay, bed.
They do window blind.
Okay.
And we see they do TV stand.
Okay, TV like this kind
like
one.
This kind one.
Okay, see they do one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You go call your phone number when our SL after she madam.
Okay, 081 4845 9040.
On that number today?
081 28 4604 96.
So my people, I greet you for the time when I watch this video.